I'm Jan-Philipp, I'm from Germany. I'm 26 and I guess, it's already 2 years ago at Capernwray from 2019 to 2020. At the moment, I'm doing youth work with children from, let me think, 9 to 14. Yeah. And I'm doing it full time, which is such a big privilege. I do camps in the summer. I also, do trainings for other people who work with children. So, yeah. I don't remember the bedroom number, like the number of the room, but I remember where it was. So it was in the clock tower. The first bedroom I was in was for 2 people, which is not very common. I guess there are not many rooms with just 2 people, so it was very cool. The second one I was in was just down the floor, right the opposite from the boys' zoo, as we called it, like the bedroom where 10 people were in. So yeah, but I also spent a lot of time in the zoo. We kind of had an online one because in our year there were like 70% of North Americans and only 30% from the rest of the world. So I don't know how many Germans we were. I guess like maybe 10 or 13 or something like that. So we only had an online reunion, which was beautiful. I guess my relationship with Jesus got more open. So on the one hand, it got a little bit more private, but I also understood a lot more of how we all are connected in Him. Like there's so many people around the world. There's so many different denominations. There's so many different ways how to live as a Christian, how to live your life with Jesus. And as being at Capernwray, you get in contact with all of them, and you have the chance to just talk to them, and get to know how they, live their relationship with Jesus. So I guess the biggest profit of Capernwray was maybe just to get a wider picture of how you can live your relationship with Jesus, or how you see Him, or just to get a wider picture. So I guess I learned about myself that people see more in me than I do, that I have maybe more talents than I think I have, or that I'm qualified for a task where I really don't see my qualification. And I guess it didn't change a lot yet, but I'm working on it, to see the gifts that God gave me and to use them where He wants me to use them.